Digital dentistry, transforming the patient experience with technology. In recent years, advancements in technology have revolutionized many industries, and dentistry is no exception. Digital dentistry has completely transformed the way dental professionals diagnose, treat, and care for their patients. With the implementation of cutting-edge technology, patients now have access to more accurate, efficient, and comfortable dental procedures than ever before. In this video, we will explore how digital dentistry is changing the patient experience for the better. Digital imaging and impressions. One of the key components of digital dentistry is the use of digital imaging and impressions. Traditional methods of taking dental impressions often involved messy, uncomfortable materials that patients found unpleasant. However, with digital impressions, patients can now have their dental impressions taken quickly and accurately using a digital scanner. This not only eliminates the need for messy materials, but it also provides more precise results, leading to better fitting restorations and reducing the need for adjustments. Digital imaging has also revolutionized the way dentists diagnose and plan for treatment. With the use of 3D imaging technology, dentists can create detailed images of a patient's teeth and jaw, allowing for more accurate diagnoses of issues such as cavities, infections, and misalignments. This technology also enables dentists to plan for more precise treatments, such as dental implants or orthodontic procedures, leading to better outcomes for patients. CAD/CAM technology. Another major component of digital dentistry is computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, CAD/CAM technology. This technology allows dentists to design and create restorations such as crowns, bridges, and veneers in a single visit, eliminating the need for multiple appointments and temporary restorations. With CAD/CAM technology, dentists can create custom restorations that precisely fit a patient's teeth, providing a more natural look and feel. In addition to the convenience of same-day restorations, CAD/CAM technology also improves the overall quality of dental restorations. The digital design process allows for more precise measurements and adjustments, resulting in restorations that are more durable and long-lasting. Patients can enjoy the benefits of high-quality restorations that are made to last for years to come. Intraoral cameras and digital X-rays. Intraoral cameras and digital X-rays are two more technologies that have transformed the patient experience in dentistry. Intraoral cameras are small, handheld devices that allow dentists to take detailed images of a patient's mouth, providing a close-up view of their teeth and gums. These images can be displayed on a screen for patients to see, helping them better understand their oral health and any issues that may need to be addressed. Digital X-rays offer many benefits over traditional film X-rays, including reduced radiation exposure, shorter wait times for results, and enhanced images for more accurate diagnoses. Dentists can also easily store and access digital X-rays on a computer, making it easier to track changes in a patient's oral health over time. With these technologies, patients can receive faster, more precise diagnoses and treatments, leading to improved overall oral health. Teledentistry. Teledentistry is a growing trend in digital dentistry that allows patients to receive remote dental care and consultations through virtual appointments. This technology uses video conferencing and digital communication to connect patients with their dentists, allowing them to discuss their oral health concerns and receive treatment recommendations from the comfort of their own homes. Teledentistry offers many benefits for patients, including increased convenience, reduced travel time and costs, and improved access to dental care for those in rural or underserved areas. Patients can also receive guidance on oral hygiene practices, diet recommendations, and preventive care strategies through virtual consultations, helping them maintain optimal oral health between in-person appointments. Conclusion. Digital dentistry has revolutionized the patient experience, providing more accurate, efficient, and comfortable dental care for patients around the world. From digital imaging and impressions to CAD/CAM technology, intraoral cameras, digital X-rays, and teledentistry, these advancements have transformed the way dentists diagnose, treat, and care for their patients. As technology continues to evolve, the future of dentistry looks brighter than ever, with even more innovative solutions on the horizon. Patients can now expect to receive high-quality, personalized dental care that is tailored to their individual needs, leading to better overall oral health and a more positive dental experience.